let's be real, you want that glowy, fresh, my skin but better look, but you're just so over foundation. Are you like me, but sometimes you just don't want to wear foundation, but of course you do want to look more wide awake and more refreshed, and so many of us want that no makeup look, but it seems like you have to actually have perfect skin to achieve it, or at least that's what I thought. But I'm going to share with you guys today my no makeup routine and my no foundation makeup tutorial that I recently discovered that I think you're absolutely going to love regardless of your skin type or your age. You don't have to have perfect skin. So if you want that perfected makeup look that takes under 10 minutes and lets your real skin be the star, then you have to see this tutorial today. I really think I finally cracked the code for the ultimate no foundation routine, and the secret is this new sheer tint balm that has completely changed the makeup game. I'm so excited for this video, you guys. This has become my absolute go-to, my new holy grail for my everyday face, and for the longest time I was on the quest to find a routine that would give me that no makeup look, but still give me a little bit of confidence boost to go about my day. And I wanted my skin to look like actual skin, but I also wanted to dial down some of the redness and the tired look to my skin and make me look more awake. So it was an impossible tightrope, because either, you know, my foundation sometimes would feel like a mask, or a lot of sheer tints feel like absolutely nothing. But I think I finally perfected it, and this is the routine that I swear by, and I could do this in my car in 7 minutes, and you can really count on this look to last all day too. So you could swap out your heavy foundation for lightweight layers. And the absolute star of this show though is the new IT Cosmetics Do It All Tinted Face Balm. This is the perfect base. It's just the perfect amount of coverage. It gives you glow. It's infused with skincare ingredients that will actually firm your skin over time. And then we're going to do a little bit of strategic concealer, a little cream blush, and a super quick eye and lip, and you will just have the ultimate finished look without feeling like you're wearing makeup, but you'll definitely feel more confident. And so I will have everything we're going to use today linked down below, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, first things first though, you cannot begin to talk about a no foundation makeup routine without talking about skin prep. And seriously, it is the most important step. When you don't have foundation to hide behind, your skin needs to be the star of the show. So you want to make sure it's happy and hydrated. A smooth, juicy base is what makes everything else just melt right in and gives you that lit from within glow. And honestly, skipping skin prep is the fastest way to patchy sad looking situation, especially with sheerer products. So my prep is super simple. After I've cleansed my face, I will go in with a really good moisturizer I've been loving, and don't be shy about it. Take a good amount and really massage it in so it'll make sure your whole face feels plump and happy. And while that's soaking in, you can add some eye cream too for a little extra love under your eyes. Now next up, now this is a complete non-negotiable for me. It's SPF every single day. So I'm using this lightweight serum like sunscreen here that just disappears into the skin. It leaves no white cast, and it also adds an extra layer of glow, which hello is exactly what we want. So I really love this SPF 50 from Charlotte Tilbury. It's also a primer as well, so it's a 2-in-1 product, and this is going to give you sun protection, which is so important not only for protecting your skin from skin cancer, but it's also going to help you to not have texture on your skin and for your skin not to become aged looking. SPF is super important, you guys. I know one time I stopped wearing sunscreen. I think I had forgotten it, and so for about a week I wasn't wearing sunscreen, and my skin became so textured, so dry, and so rough looking. And as soon as I got back on my sunscreen, the texture and the roughness went away. So sunscreen really works at helping your skin to look plump and youthful. So now primer doesn't make your makeup just last longer. It helps to fill in any texture, any pores, and gives your makeup something to hold on to. All right, so now we're primed, prepped, and we're protected. So now for the fun part. Okay, this is going to be our secret weapon. This is the product that makes this whole no foundation thing work. It's the Do It All Sheer Tinted Face Balm. You can pick it up only at Ulta, and honestly, I am obsessed. I mean, I am obsessed. And it's not a skin tint. It's not a tinted moisturizer. It's a true balm. The texture is incredible. It's so lightweight. It's emollient, and it just glides right over your skin. And what I love is that it gives this sheer buildable wash of color that immediately evens out my skin tone, cancels any redness, but also leaves your skin still looking like skin, so you can see, you can still see your own beautiful skin peeking through. It just looks healthier and more well rested. And many people love to apply it with their fingers, so using the warmth from your hands, it just blends right into your skin, and you can dot it on your cheeks, your forehead, your nose, and your chin, and then blend it out. As you can see here, it immediately gives your skin this amazing natural looking radiance, and it doesn't settle into fine lines. It doesn't feel heavy. It really feels weightless. And honestly, if you want a little bit more coverage, you could always go in with another thin layer on the center of your face, and it creates this perfect even glowing canvas that helps everything else that we're going to put on top blend like a dream. And then there's also a new IT Cosmetics skin perfecting brush that I personally love to use when applying this balm. And I have to tell you, I have been wearing this balm daily, and I wear it to Pilates, and it lasts. This is a product that lasts all day long, even though I am sweating at Pilates, so it lasts through a workout session as well. But I have to also bring it back to this brush though. What's really special about this brush though is that the bristles are so soft, and it applies this product like a dream, so I personally love using the brush with this. So now our base is on, and you're looking really glowy, and now it's time for some concealer. This is where we get our coverage, but the key is for it to be strategic placement. We're not going to make it look like a mask. We're just going to target specific spots that need a little extra help. So this is how you get that perfect skin look without a full face of makeup. So I use a creamy hydrating concealer that has good coverage, and watch this. I apply just a dot on the inner corner on the under eye area where it's the darkest, and then another dot on the outer corner for a little bit of lift, and that's it. No giant triangles. We are just spot treating, and then you could add a little bit around your nose to cancel out any redness, or on top of any blemishes if you want to tone those down. And then with a damp sponge or a brush or your finger, just gently tap and press the concealer in. Do not swipe. Tapping gives the coverage right where you put it. So doing it this way, your skin stays fresh and natural looking, which is the whole point. So you get the coverage you want, but it just melts right into your skin, into that sheer balm, and it looks totally seamless. So okay, our skin is evened out and bright, and now we need to bring some life and dimension back to our face. So for a no foundation makeup look, I am telling you, cream products are going to be your best friend. They're basically magic. Powders can sometimes just sit on top of your skin and look a little bit obvious, but a cream blush and bronzer, they melt right in and look like they're actually part of your skin. And so I'm starting with a cream bronzer and a dense brush, and I just pick up a little bit of product and start applying it along my temples and on the top of my forehead. And I like to sweep it upwards and towards my cheekbones, and it just instantly warms up your face and adds some soft definition. And I like to also run a little under my jawline and under the tip of my nose here to make it look like more like a button nose. So next up is cream blush, which is my favorite step for looking instantly awake. I'm taking this pretty pinky shade, and you just smile and pop it onto the apples of your cheeks, and you want to blend it upwards, and this placement will give you such a nice youthful lift. And see how it just blends right into that beautiful IT Cosmetics base. Because we have on no heavy foundation, the color just looks like a natural flush, like you're just lit from within. Okay, we're going to keep the eyes and brows super simple to go with this whole effortless looking no makeup look, and the goal is to look defined and polished, but not like we spent an hour on a full glam eye. It's all about quick and easy. So for brows, I'm just brushing them up with a spoolie, and then I'll use a fine tip pencil to fill in any sparse spots, and you just want to use light hair-like strokes. And brows frame your whole face, so you instantly look more put together when you fill in your brows. And now for a quick little trick for the eyes, I'm going to use that same cream bronzer that we just used, and you just grab a fluffy brush and get a little bit of product on your brush and just sweep that along your crease area. And this adds the perfect amount of definition and ties the whole look together. And then mascara. A good coat of mascara just opens your eyes and makes you look so much more awake. I like to do a couple of coats, really wiggling at the root to give your lashes a nice lift, and that's it for the eyes. It's subtle, it's fast, and it is just enough. Okay, we are in the home stretch now. Just a couple of final touches to tie the whole look together. For lips, you want to stick with a fresh and glowy vibe, so you want to skip the matte lipstick lipsticks for this look and just go for a gloss or a tinted balm. So today I'm going to use this rosy lip oil, and it's just a pretty wash of color, super high shine finish, and it feels so comfy and hydrating. And it's also the perfect finishing touch for a look that's all about being juicy and fresh. And I do like to add a lip liner too. And finally, we lock it all in. Now you have two options here depending on your skin type. If you're on the oily side, you can take a super fine translucent powder on a big fluffy brush and just lightly dust it over your T-zone. And if your skin is a bit drier though, you can skip powder if you want and go right in with a setting spray. I'm using a dewy finish spray to really amplify that glow and melt all the products together. And you just want to hold the setting spray at arm's length and give your face a good spritz. And this helps make everything look more seamless and to last all day. And so there you have it. This is the finished look. As you can see, my skin still looks like my skin. Everything just looks a little more even, a little more radiant, and you're going to wind up looking more awake and ready to go. This whole look takes less than 10 minutes and it will feel like there's nothing on your face. It's so quick, and honestly, it's a routine that I do almost every single day now. It's perfect for work, for running errands, literally anytime you want to look more polished without feeling weighed down. For me, the real hero is that sheer tinted balm that creates such a beautiful, healthy looking base. So if you're feeling tired of heavy makeup, then I cannot recommend trying this no foundation makeup routine enough. And I would love to know your favorite minimal go-to products. Let me know down below in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And again, all the products that we used today will be linked down below in the description box with the Shop with YouTube feature. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.